move to second part of chapter 1, create a new project. It's called the Flapping Bat. So I put this sprite here so that you can have our idea. Okay, so we have our flapping bird games. I believe you learned that, but how that will be implemented in Scratch. Let's try to do this first. We also use this way to learn the basic of the Scratch instead of we talk a lot of the theories. So let's go to this part, and from here you can see this is the 0102. So let's come to the mind map. So here is the these 0102s, and we have 7 parts will be touch base. I hope we can finish this within one video. So we will create a project, delete the cat. I hope that just one step, and choose the sprite, paint the ground, paint the pipe, and also paint sky gradient. So it's not as the solid color, it will be our gradient on the stage. This is the foundation for next chapter is to bring some game to life with code. So let's make the stage, make the scene first using the Scratch. And also here is the reference I gave you. So if you have interest, you can come to this flappybird.net. That will give you some. The idea is what's this here. So let me put that. Give you this word. So if you come to this .net website, actually you can play the Flappy Bird game online. So what we will trying to implement is our quite similar game using this Scratch. So first is let's go to this game, create a new project. So if you play the Flappy Bird before, I believe that will be easier for you to understand what the game logic we are going to do. But we will not use the Flappy Bird, we will use the Flappy Bat. So just our character change. And we can create an online project. If we go to here and log in, then create, you get our online project. Or we can create the offline project. So what I will demo to you is let's use our the Scratch we just installed offline last video, and from now on let's try to create an offline project, and I will also synchronize that to the GitHub repository so that you can also get those source code or the source logic. So what we will do is after you open that, click this edit, and here you can see if you have existing project you can load, or you can new, or you can save. Because we already opened that, this is our empty project, is equal to our new project already. Let's just do this save as. So when we save that is I will go to our GitHub and learn Scratch, and then this Scratch for kids, and I already create chapter 1. So let's use this and rename. So here is the flapping, use the underscore that. When you save to our file name, try not to use the space. Space is sometimes you may see in the URL or the web address that will be translated as the percentage sign with 20, the figures. So that is not the easier for read if you publish your file to some web servers or websites. So let's use underscore. So now is already the version 3, so the extension is already the Scratch B3. So let's leave for that. You don't get, I think it's we don't have that file name here. So let's leave that. And every time you create a new Scratch project, it will include one sprite. There is a nice cat, or someone say it's a boring cat. I'm not going to use this. So what we will do is we will have delete this directly. You can delete kite by hold the shift key on your keyboard, or while clicking is directly a small arrow. So here, so let me see. From here is the delete. I suppose it's the author used Mac OS. But here is you can see these also are delete. So right click, delete. Then we have empty stage and we save again. So they don't have the save only, right? So then this we will need to overwrite our this project. So we will choose player sprite. A sprite is any graphic element in a Scratch project other than the stage. So we have a stage as the scene, and the sprite is like the character or the any graphical element. Our cat, Scratch cat is our sprite. Now we will introduce another sprite for our game. We will create three sprites. First is a player, second is ground, and the pipe. Look at the new sprite area. Sprite. So let's see. So new sprite area. Let's try to find for that. So choose a sprite. So we need to start to try to compare what's the difference from the version 2 to now the version 3. So let's also try to understand those. So this is the choose a background. This is choose a sprite. And then they select the sprite name, choose a sprite from the library, and then I see, so we are doing the animal, I believe. So let's try to see, do we have the bat? No. So let's see, so bat. Oh, now it's a bat 2. We don't have bat 2 anymore anyway, but we have this nice new drawed bat. So let's give that. And then shift click the bat and choose infer. So let me see. Bat. Shift. Oh, so it's no. Let me see where I can see that information. Choose bat. Right click. No. So if I just use a shift, right click, no. So let's back. Change the name from bat2 to player. So let me see. Here is the name. So for player. So now you have this name. So the rename is putting here. Click the bat button, white triangle, and close the info window. So the info window is already here, so we don't need to open the info window in version 3 anymore. So now let's paint ground. So in the new sprite area, click the second icon, paint new sprite. So choose info, so shift the new, paint new sprite. In the new sprite area, let's see, click the costume. Surprise, paint. Here is the paint. So we open this this one, click the rectangle. So here, So now the sequence is also different. So click this, click the solid. Let me see. So view. This is the outline. Do we have those solid? No. I will make this. Click the green color swatch. Solid here. So just the green. So let me make that a little darker, like the paint, and then drag this and also let me make that scratch. No, I want to see no. Yeah, if I make that 0, then there's a no. Then put here and make bottom. So I put this like here, the ground, until you have a hole. So I will make this hole in the bottom. If the ground sprite appears off-center on the stage, click and drag it in place. I also drag mine down a little bit to give the bat more room to fly. So here I just put that. If here is outside, this is our stage. So we just put this here. And this is our bat. And this is our ground. And then we make our pipe. So another one. So let's do invert. Oh, here we should give this one a ground. And make another pipe. So I put here. Let's see, click the paint again. So we need to create another one. So use this and make here. By default is our green. So let's make that green. And also no. That looks off. Change to select, then you can make that. So the pipe should be click the gray color, drag across the middle of the canvas to draw the vertical, make a hole on the bat. So let's make a hole. Click the select and click drag across this middle of the pipe. So let's see what is our current select. So we don't have that anymore, I think. And press the delete. Oh, it's not like this way. So this is the select. And we will put that here, like this way. Click the select and drag across the middle of the pipe and press delete. But that is not press the delete on your, don't worry if you're big. But how this one is a reshape here, brush. I think it's, that is kind of interesting. We don't have those this is the delete, but that is not what we want. Front. Let me pause a little bit. I think it's on the version 3. We don't have that icon. So what I try to do a workaround is create two and make them like this way. Later on, we will see how we can adjust based on the view. But this is our pipe as well. I just make this one. I already renamed the sprite, so I make this just as two parts. Here, the way this icon is never here. So let me save and save that again. And let's print the sky first. The term gradient may be new to you. Scratch includes 3 types of gradient, which allow you to fade between 2 colors. Part of what makes our sky looks realistic is when it appear brighter toward the horizon and darker to the top of your game screen. So let's here. This is the stage button, and click the backdrop. So here, and we will select. Let's create this. Select the field. So we should not come to here. We use this stage. We already have our the stage, and we will use this one. Can I change the name for no? Let's use this one. View. Do we have that? Click the horizontal. I saw here the horizontal is this one. And then the paint, the color. So here is not bright. So we should have a certain color. Backdrop. Oh, so they need us to adjust that. So that is the light. But that's we need to switch this, and here should be white. But how to make that appear? Select the light blue, click anywhere to field. Backdrop. Here is costume. This is the backdrop. Do I need to draw our oh, so I need to draw our rectangle. That's also our interesting parts. So let me make this lighter. Okay, now as I make this as our better. Some tools may give you 3 this gradient, but for our Scratch is only 2. But that is good enough. So this I also got the way working in this version 3. So now I think it's we have done what we already showed into this mind map. So we create our new project. We use offline and save to our GitHub repository. And we delete the cat, create new player with choosing the bat, and then paint ground, paint pipe. This pipe, we will leave this as an open question to be checked later on in this gaming logic when we add it, because we use a different way. We don't find the delete partial, the button or the choice in the new version 3, but we create two parts of the pipe and one upper, one below, and they have some the empty area between them in the middle. So let's see how that can be adjusted. Maybe we will need to use some additional treatment. And the last but not least is we paint the sky gradient. That's again is also kind of the different way. So if you read this book and at the same time is working on this Scratch 3, pay attention to the different behavior. So I still think this book is I will continue to try to cope with the difference between the versions. But I like this book to teach you the project. So I will continue to test what's the delta between these two versions, whether it's worth for us to continue to do those delta. But at the same time, I hope you follow my video in the left and to get this these two parts. One part is 3 spread, player, ground, pipe created, and the second part is you have customized the stage. So we have a good foundation in static. So they are not moving. In the next video, we are trying to add some the gaming logic. So as this part is, I would like to save this to. Oh, maybe it's I saved here. So that is for our 1.2, right? So 1.2. And in the next video is we will create another further logic. Then I will keep to save that in some newer version so that you will gradually get is the step-by-step coding or the source code for your reference. Okay, I hope you follow this video to have the similar things like what I show in here using the version 3 context. See you in the next video. We will make some more game the logic to this project. See you then.